Introducing the Pureline PL7106 salt cell, your perfect drop-in replacement for the Hayward T-CELL-15. With no replumbing required, installation is a breeze. Just swap it out and you're good to go. Best of all, the PL7106 is a much more affordable option than the Hayward T-CELL-15. Has a full 2-year warranty and will treat up to 40,000 gallons. It's fully compatible with the Hayward Aquarite, Mineral Springs, and SwimPure Plus salt systems. Just make sure your system's revision is 1.5 or higher. To check, simply press the diagnostics button 7 times. Revision 1.5 was released late in 2008, so if your system was made after that, you're all set. And before you order the PL7106, be sure to verify your current cell type. The model number should be printed on the original cell body. Or you can press the diagnostics button 8 times. If it says T15, you're good. Please note, the PL7106 won't work with the Hayward automation systems like Aqua Logic, Aqua Plus, Omni-Logic, or Pro Logic. The Pureline PL7106 salt cell. Reliable, affordable, and easy to install, keeping your pool crystal clear without breaking the bank.